Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 4, we will presentation about biogeography. Next, before that, I will introduce our group members, namely Ogi Prayoga with the number 121, Titin Andrianti with the number 135, and Dewi Istiqomah with the number 137. Next, introduction. Biography is a branch of biology that studies biodiversity based on space and time. The diversity of flora and fauna in a region cannot be separated from the support of the condition in that area. There are plants that can only grow in areas with tropical climates where there is lots of rainfall and sunshine, and those that can only grow in cold and humid areas. Next. Goals of study Goals of study: A. To find out an explanation of the meaning of biogeography. B. To find out an explanation of geographic distribution. C. To find out an explanation of spatial population dynamics. Next. Understanding of biogeography. Biogeography is a field of study and explanation distribution of organisms across the Earth's surface. In this world, it is known there are 6 geographic areas for animals, along with each region with a certain difference and uniformity within the groups. These geographic areas are Australia, Oriental, Ethiopia, Neotropic, Palearctic, and Nearctic. Because of the Palearctic and Nearctic fauna are similar, so these two areas of biogeography are sometimes combined into holactics. Geographic distribution, ecological and historical biographic study and distribution of past and present organisms to determine which species occur in certain areas. 1. Global pattern. In 1870X, Alfred Russel Wallace divided the distribution area fauna in 6 regions, namely as follows. A. Palearctic. Its distribution area is very wide, covering almost the entire European continent, the Union Soviet areas near to North Pole to the Himalayas, Iceland, England in Western Europe to Japan, the Bering Strait on the Pacific coast, and the continent northmost Africa.
Number 2, Ethiopian territory. Its distribution include the continent of Africa from the south of the desert Sahara, Madagascar, and southern Saudi Arabia. Mammals endemic to the region. This is a hippopotamus that is only found in the river Nile River and Egypt. Number 3, Nearctic. The area of distribution includes the United States, North America near the North Pole, and Greenland. The typical animal of this area is the chicken whale, turkey, marsupial rats in the East Pacific desert, bison, muskok, caribou, north the mountain sheep. And next, number 4, neotropical spread area includes Central America, South America, and most of Mexico. The climate in this region is mostly tropical and temperature south. Number 5, Oriental territory. Fauna in this region is carried in the Asian region, especially South Asia and Asia Southeast, with South Asia and Southeast Asia ever unit. The Indonesian fauna that enter this region is only in part of Indonesian West. Number 6 are Australian. This region includes the region of Australia, New Zealand, Irian, Maluku, and surrounding islands. Some of the typical animals of this region are the kangaroo, kiwi, koala, and the cocker are a type of mammal laying eggs. And next, geographic distribution part 2, number 2, region pattern. In addition, the typical fauna in Indonesia also this diversity. Here are some of the distribution of fauna in Indonesia. A. Fauna of West Indonesia is a variety of animal found on the island Sumatra, Java, Borneo, and small island of around. And next, B. The fauna of central Indonesia includes various types of animal found on the island Sulawesi and Nusa Tenggara Island. Number C. Fauna of East Indonesia. East Indonesia fauna includes the type of fauna found in Papua, Maluku, and surrounding island. East Indonesia fauna is patterned at Australis. Number 3, island. A regional diversity pattern. MacArthur and Wilson point out that the richness of island species depend on the size of the island and the isolation of the source area. The author present an equilibrium model based on the following concept. When there is an increase in the number of species and on an island, the immigration rate of the species on the island will decrease, while the extension rate of inhabited species will increase. Large island will have more species than small island, assuming these islands are equally isolated and isolated island will have fewer species that island more proximal from the south region, assuming these islands are of equal size.
Okay, the next, there is additional discourse on how island cluster and stepping stone affect this model. Okay, describe the immigration rate of new species and the extinction rate of inhibited species versus the number of existing species on an island. The intersection point gives the equilibrium species number. B. Modeling of colonization and disperse. Models that state that the likelihood of colonization success depend on birth rate, mortality rates, and environmental sustainability from this model. Conclusions are drawn about the average survival time of seed offspring, the average survival time of saturated population, and the characteristic of successful seeds. C. Theoretical exploration of diffusion models. The authors consider how isolate stepping stone affect species dispersal, in particular, the influence of stepping stone size and isolation on dispersal. The next is conclusion. Biography is a field of study and explanation distribution of organisms across the Earth surface. In this world, it is known there are six biographic areas for animals, along with each region which have certain difference and uniformity within the group. These biographic areas: Australia, Oriental, Ethiopia, Neotropics, Palearctics, and Nearctics. Fauna distribution in Indonesia is divided into three parts: West, Central, and East. When there is an increase in the number of species on an island, the immigration rate of new species on the island will decrease, while the extinction rate of inhabitant species will increase. In nature, organisms are not distributed uniformly or randomly, instead from forming some kind of special pattern. This is due to various energy inputs, disturbances, and species interaction that produce spatially patchy structure or gradients. Okay, and this is our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.